Sasha, do you hear something? I hear something. And what are you standing on, Sasha? Ah, you're standing on a giant book. 2 books. And there's some more books. And some more books. And that's what's making the sound. It's a fountain. Should we go see the fountain, Sasha? Let's see. Let me grab. Let's go see the fountain. There we go. Hi. Sasha's going to show us the fountain. You good here, Sasha? Girl. All right, this is the back of the fountain Sasha has found. And there's a nice waterfall. And there's a pool of water. The waterfall is flowing into. Okay, let's walk around it a little bit more, Sasha. Whoa, I think I see some hands. And look. Oh, I tripped over one of the books. They are hands. I'm going to go up and see what's in the hands. It's a handful of letters. You could write me a letter with those letters, and it would be a wet letter. Write me a letter with a handful of letters that you pulled from the water. It would be a wet letter, and I'd have to dry it off before I read it. And those hands are on books too. Boy, there's so many books here. Sasha was sitting on one, and I tripped on one. And the hands are on one. But this is so cool. What do you think, Sasha? Oh my goodness, more books for Miss Kris to trip on. And an egg. All right. You ready to go, Sasha? One more look at all those cool letters. Wow, I see an E and an S and a K for Kris. Oh, another K and an F. And maybe that's a U. Lots of letters. Okay, Sasha, let's go before I fall and hurt myself.